Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment on my damaged natural hair to help prevent frizz and split ends. And you want to start by mixing some of your favorite oils together and getting them hot. So these are the oils that I used. I'll include this list in the description box below. But to warm it up, you can either put a bowl of water in the microwave, or you can boil water on the stove and then set it over in that for a couple minutes. But you want the oil to be mixed together and to be warm. Hot oil treatments are a great way to add moisture back to your hair, especially during the cold weather months. Adding hot oil treatments to your hair regimen will help prevent dryness that ultimately breaks your hair off. So applying the hot oil to your scalp and massaging it in will stimulate blood flow to your scalp and also aids in hair growth. Once I get the oil massaged into my scalp, I also like to put the oil down my hair strands and also on my ends and massage it in, work it in. So my natural hair, I believe, was damaged when I kept it in protective styles for the entire summer. I didn't get a chance to do hot oil treatments or deep conditioners or really give my hair the TLC that I normally give it when it's not in protective styles. So I'm definitely taking the extra time and doing extra steps and giving my hair some extra TLC. And just from working in the oil with the water, you can see my hair is very moisturized. Once I get the oil completely distributed throughout my head, I added a plastic cap to begin and then got under this hooded dryer. I removed that plastic cap and just got right back under the dryer because I wanted the heat to really hit my hair strand. Yes, moisture. I just got done doing a hot oil treatment and I am about to deep conditioning with Shea Moisture High Porosity Moisture Correct Mask. Ooh. Once you start adding hot oil treatments into your regimen, you'll start to notice that your hair will be stronger, healthier, and shinier. So this is my natural curl pattern. And I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you want more videos like this from me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.